Very cold air is moving its way through, and the National Weather Service has issued a wind chill warning active until noon on Sunday, and that's just because wind chills can fall between 35 to 45 below zero. That means skin can freeze within 10 minutes if it's unexposed to the elements outside. And then during the second half of Sunday, we move just to a wind chill advisory, which means 25 below to 35 below in terms of those wind chills. So improvement, yeah, but it's still very cold. All right, looking at the temperatures outside, we are very well sub-zero for those low temperatures as cold air continues to trickle its way down out of Canada at this point. Wind chills definitely already on the cold side. Wind chill advisory range with all of these as they are sitting between anywhere 23 below to 29 below in Brookings and Huron. Satellite radar does show, for the most part, clearing skies overhead, and that's going to really aid in the cooling through tonight as well. Expanding the view out, this is basically just a dome of high pressure that's bringing down this cool air into our region, and cold air does not want to move quickly. So once we start to plan ahead, our skies are going to remain relatively clear over these next couple of days, just a couple of fair weather clouds sticking around during this time, but overall it is going to be very sunny and very cold over these next couple of days. Arctic air has worked its way on down, and it's not really until Monday we'll finally start to see temperatures back on the positive side in terms of the readings. So light cloud cover will move its way through potentially, but this is going to be such high and thin clouds that it's not really going to factor in much as we do plan ahead. The bigger thing we are going to factor is winds, and these are going to be out of the northwest at 10, 15 miles an hour, sometimes 20, but even around that range, that is what's driving our wind chills down to around that 25 to 35 to even 45 below zero. And light winds with just these sub-zero temperatures definitely have a huge impact as you step outside. So once again, make sure that you are dressing appropriately, because specifically on Monday morning is when we're watching the coldest air to work its way down, and we could see low temperatures near 21 below for a low temperature, and that means wind chills could easily be dropping into that 40 below range once again. So I thoroughly expect to see another wind chill warning active into Monday morning with that. Now we do get a slight little reprieve on the backside of this. Tuesday also brings in just a slight chance of snow. These are going to be light flurries overall. Accumulations expected to be very minor. And then we return into those 20s with a chance of seeing Thursday on next Saturday.